Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to another episode of How to Speak and Sound Like an American with your American teacher, host, and friend, Teacher Greg. Now let's get started. What is today's situation? Okay, you have a friend. Your friend watches too much social media. You want to give him some advice. What do you say? Do you say, hey, you shouldn't lose so much time watching social media? Or should you say you shouldn't waste so much time watching social media? And of course, the correct response is you shouldn't waste so much time watching social media. In this context, guys, you don't use the word lose time. You're going to use the word don't waste time. And of course, you need to repeat this 5 times because you're working on your fluency and you want to be able to respond quickly. And guys, we are at the end of our session. So don't forget to please share these videos with your neighbors and friends. We're trying to get to 1,000 followers. I need your help. These things are short and they're going to help you to learn how to speak and sound like an American. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, have an awesome day.